Want to know how you can make money by just using Gmail account? Make sure to watch this video till the end to find out. Without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the video. Head over to Google and search for Pico Workers, and click the first link in the search results. You will be taken to this website. Link will be also in the description to save you some time. The name of the website is Sprout Gigs, and it was previously known as Pico Workers. It pays you for doing simple and easy to do tasks such as visiting website or just upvoting a post on Reddit. You first have to create your account by clicking this Get Started button. After that, you have to complete this short sign-up form. It will take around 2 minutes to fill the form. You have to enter your real name, your email address, your password, your nickname, and your country. You have to keep profile type option as it is. Make sure it is marked as I'm a worker. After that, check the I agree with term and service checkbox and scroll down, and then click the sign up button to finish the sign up process. Once you click the sign up button, they will send you a verification email to the email address that you provided. So let's head over to Gmail and open your inbox. As you can see, we have gotten a welcome email from Sprout Gigs. Welcome to Sprout Gigs. You have to click this link given in the email to verify your account so we can start earning money. Make sure to verify your email as soon as possible because, as you can see here, this link will expire after 24 hours. Here we are at the Sprout Gigs dashboard. But before we move forward, do me a quick favor and like this video. Let's aim for 10 likes. Let's get back to the video. When you are on the dashboard, you'll see a navigation menu on the top. Click the micro jobs option on the top menu. When you open micro jobs page for first time, you will see this dialog. These are the community rules for Pico Workers. Make sure to take time and read it. As you can see here, we have 531 tasks available that we can complete and earn money. Let's scroll down and find a task that we can easily do in a minute or two. So guys, I found this task that is paying you just to create a Gmail account for them. You can create unlimited Gmail account and keep getting paid again and again. Here is another task that is paying you just to subscribe to a YouTube channel. Isn't it easy, guys? As an example, let's click this task and let me show you how to complete tasks. If you scroll down, you can see instructions that you can follow. Just like here, it says to go to this channel. Subscribe it and don't unsubscribe. Once you have completed the task, you have to submit these proofs. This is where you can submit your proofs in order to get paid. After that, you can click this submit proof button and you will get the money. If you got any value from this video, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Click the left video to start making money using Canva, or choose the right video to know 5 ways to make money using your phone. Keep learning and start earning.